So here we have to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. The first thing that we want to do is get our equation into the form that looks like this. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we'll definitely start by distributing through on the left-hand side. So that's going to give us 2x squared minus 8x, and then equals our negative 19x plus 6. Okay, now we need to get 0 on one side to use the formula. So let's do that by adding 19x to both sides and subtracting 6. Okay, so that's definitely going to give us a 0 on the right-hand side. Let's see what our left-hand side turns out to be. We've got 2x squared. Negative 8 plus 19 is negative 11x. And then the minus 6 doesn't have any like terms. Okay, so now we have that form of the ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, that is going to mean, that a is 2, b is negative 11, and c equals negative 6. And we're going to use the formula, quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. I find this formula both terrific and infuriating because it's easy to plug the numbers in, and it's equally easy to make mistakes as you do your order of operations. So when we plug this in first, we've got x is equal to negative b will be negative 11. I am going to run out of room, aren't I? Let's try this over here. Negative 11, maybe I can make it work. Plus or minus the square root of negative 11 squared is 121. Minus 4 times a times c will be 4 times 2 times negative 6. 2 times negative 6. Okay, and all divided by 2a, 2 times 2. All right. Okay, order of operations. So negative 11 will be 11. Plus or minus, let's see, inside our square root we have 1, 2 negatives. That's going to be 121 plus. And then, let's see, 4 times 2 times 6 is 48 all over 4. Okay, continuing to simplify the square root, that looks like that's going to be the square root of 169. Oh, good. Something nice. Square root of 169 over 4, because 169 is 13. So we've got x is equal to 11 plus or minus 13 all over 4. Okay, so we've got two answers here. We've got x is equal to 11 plus 13 over 4, and x is equal to 11 minus 13 over 4. See, 11 plus 13 is 24, divided by 4 is 6, and 11 minus 13 is negative 2, and negative 2 over 4 is negative 1/2. And we are finished.